Hello friends, this is my first time doing a tag video. I want to take up this opportunity to formally welcome all of you to my channel. Hi, I am Mitali. If you don't like my eye makeup, tell me in the comment section so that I'll not do it again. My brother says sometimes I look like somebody from Adam's family. If you feel the same, do feel free to comment in the comment section. With that, let's get into the video. So I was tagged by Spotted Journal. She's an amazing person and she's also doing these DIY tags from UK. So thanks Spotted Journal for tagging. Then let's get to the questions. The very first question, what is your name and where are you from? So my name is Mitali, my channel says so, I can't change it, YouTube is not letting me change it. So my name is Mitali and I am from India, and when you get more specific, I belong to Lucknow. That's the maximum amount of time I have lived in UP, Lucknow. But I'm married to somebody who stayed, like we were in Ghaziabad before, but right now I'm in Chandigarh. My husband got transferred, so we are in Chandigarh right now. And my maternal DNA is from Varanasi, and my paternal sides, like my grandfathers, they had come in from now Bangladesh, near a place near Dhaka. So I am a Bengali and totally from India, but staying in UP, born and brought up in UP, right now in Chandigarh. Very complicated. Very complicated, right? So what's your YouTube channel about? My YouTube channel is about my life, my experiences, all that I have learned in my life, and I want to share it with everyone. I've been sharing it on Facebook, but I can't talk to people on Facebook. This is just pictures, but in this format I can actually speak and tell my feelings. It's more expressive, so that's why I started my YouTube channel, and I'm so thankful that I have got so many of you as my friends now on YouTube, and I'm just so glad I did it. Yeah, really. Then what's the next question is third question, which is what inspired you to make videos? Reason for starting YouTube channel. Okay, this is a very long answer. Because I'll start with the second part of the question. Reason for starting YouTube channel. Okay, I started the channel because I used to think, I was so dumb in 2010. I used to think that YouTube is actually a place where you can save up your videos for future. So I was making videos of my dog and I was posting it on YouTube thinking like it's just a storage space. You just store your things on a particular web page and you have free storage. So that's what I used to think. Then what inspired me to make videos, actual videos which I made, was a video which I made because I was so inspired that I could also make something. I used to watch so much YouTube at one point of time and I used to see people making these things, so I also had some unique ideas which I wanted to share and tell people about that. Okay, you can also do it. I started with that glass painting things, but I was not having much success because that time my channel was not partnered with YouTube. I was like just uploading videos, not partnered with YouTube, so there was not much views. But then I posted a video as a response to a particular craft which Maria Amora made. She's an amazing YouTuber, I just love her. So she reposted that video of mine and that video got 6k views. I was like, what the, like, why are my other videos not getting views and why this one got so many views? Because she shared my video. Then eventually on the 19th of March 2016, it actually came into my dumb head that you can partner with YouTube and actually create content for the channel and actually share your life properly with everyone. So that was when I formally started my channel, and now I'm here as a YouTuber. The next question that I have is, what is your favorite what is your favorite YouTube channel? So Maria Mora, hands down my favorite YouTuber. She does great DIY. I feel so inspired by her. I want to do the things that she makes. I want to make my versions of it. I first try out what she does, and sometimes I have my own creativity thrown in, and I can, you know, make my own version of it. So I'm really inspired by her. I love her, and she's a great being. She even responds to my comments. When I was not a YouTuber, then I used to talk to her, and she used to comment back, and she's such a huge channel. I'm so grateful that she exists. So the next question is, which is the best thing about YouTube? This YouTube thing is the best thing that has happened on the planet. So guys, this YouTube is like Akashvani. You remember Akashvani in India? Westerners know it as Akashic Records, which say that it has information about everything. So YouTube also has information about everything. I was not knowing how to cook before marriage, and now I can cook almost everything thanks to our chef. Yeah, that's another one of my favorite channels. So you just get to know anything and everything as and when you want to know it. So this is the best thing that has happened, at least to me, on this planet, and that's YouTube. It lets you forget all your sorrows. Anything that you want to know, you will know it here for sure. So that's the best thing about YouTube. Then the next question is, what are your YouTube subscriber goals? कह नहीं सकते किसका अरमां है, आरज़ू क्या है, जुस्तजू क्या है, ऐ दिले नादान, ऐ दिले नादान. So I really don't know what are my YouTube subscriber goals. Actually, I'm not here for subscribers, honestly speaking. That's not my goal. I want to share my life, make friends, and eventually I have a YouTube channel goal, and that is that I want to make a separate Hindi channel, so that people who want to find me doing videos in Hindi will have a separate channel. So if my channel grows, eventually I will make a separate channel in Hindi. That's for sure. I want to do it, a separate Hindi channel. So if you want me to do Hindi videos, please support my channel so that we hit 1,000, and then I can make a separate channel for us in Hindi. So that's my YouTube goal, not subscriber, channel goal. The next question is, what do you wish you had done differently or known before starting YouTube? Obviously, YouTube has to be a learning process, a journey. You get to know the angle of the camera, the way you are supposed to speak, things which are allowed, not allowed, should not use music, and that's just as you keep on making videos, you will get to know. You will have to search, because you have to know ABCD first, then only you know alphabets. So you have to start, and it's a learning process. I'm still learning. So the thing that I think I would have done differently is nothing, though I miss I just feel that one of my videos which has got 10k views, I want that I would have done it even more professionally instead of just casual. That video, I just regret not being able to do my best in that video, because I was very new to the community. So the next question, the 8th question, how did you come up with your YouTube name? Actually, YouTube decided that this name is going to stick with me for long, and he is not letting me change it, so it's my name and it's going to be there as my YouTube name. Do you have any advice for new YouTubers like yourself? First and foremost, I don't think there are other YouTubers like me exactly, so dumb and everything. But yeah, there are new YouTubers, and I want to say that, guys, sub for sub doesn't work. YouTube actually takes down subscribers who are not active on your channel. I even lost some of my subscribers because they were inactive and they had just participated for giveaway. So the number of subscribers that you have by sub for sub will actually not help you in the long run. So be here for making true relationships with your subscribers, people who really love and care about you. That's what your channel should be about. I have a golden community of diamonds, you know. My subscribers, I just love them. Every time I see my views going up, likes coming up, my heart's just, you know, sending out lots and lots and lots of love to my subscribers because they are amazing people. My subscribers are my diamonds. Yes, I just imagine you. I don't know your faces, most of you. I have not met you in person, so I imagine you as a glittery diamond, my subscriber, and shining in the brightest lights, and you know, colorful diamonds, like some are orange, some are blue. So that's what I imagine my subscribers as, and they are really true diamonds because it's not just me telling them things. They are so caring about me that they share so much information, and I'm so blessed and so much more informed now because I have great people coming over my channel and, you know, being a part of my life. I really love it. I really love all my subscribers. I just love you guys. You are awesome. The 10th question, which is the final question, is name 3 things that you are addicted to. So the first thing has to be YouTube. YouTube is something that I am addicted to. I am just, whenever I have nothing to do, I am watching YouTube. So YouTube is the thing that I am addicted to, and I don't know anything else that I am actually addicted to except YouTube. Yeah, I used to be addicted to cheese, but now I have become vegan, sort of, on and off. Like sometimes I forget that I'm a vegan, and sometimes, you know, the carnivorous kind of thing comes out of me, and I do take in milk products. But I used to be addicted to cheese, no more. So that's the second thing. And yeah, I can say I'm addicted to animals, dogs. I just love them. They're just the cutest thing on the planet. I love animals. So, and yeah, DIY recycling. Like, I want to change everything in the world and, you know, recycle everything in the world if I could. But one person can't do it. You be a part of my life and do that change, you know, recycle everything and make this planet a better place for everyone. Yeah, happy healthy lives. So that's everything. Those are 10 questions which I wanted to answer for my introductory tag, like my welcome tag for my subscribers and new friends. If you want to be a part of my channel, please subscribe and be a part of my amazing family. So this is my new YouTuber tag for you, and I'm going to be doing another tag very soon. I just don't know whether you want to do, people want me to do more tags or not. I was very confused about this also, that like Deepika had already tagged me to do a TMI, so I wasn't sure whether you will sit through 50 questions about me. If you are going to, then please tell me in the comment section that you want me to do a TMI tag. And I just love you guys immensely, you know, immense love from me. Have a happy healthy life. Bye, take care, God bless, tata.